Hi, and welcome to Outrageous English. Still learning English? Still stumbling across the odd word or two that confuses and confounds? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Each video, I focus on one expression or word and discuss the true meaning, as well as the way it is applied in day-to-day life. And don't forget, the full transcript for each video can be found in the description below on YouTube. So, sit back, cocksuckers, and learn outrageous English from a native. Today's word, redneck. R-E-D-N-E-C-K. Redneck. The etymology. The earliest citable reference for this term seems to come from 1893, which refers to rednecks as people, especially farmers, who work outdoors a lot and therefore suffer sunburn on their necks. By the mid-20th century, the term had come to refer to any poor person, especially a male, involved in manual work. By the 1970s, the term took another twist, now referring to poor, white, uneducated men from the southern states of America, whose political views were deemed racist and non-progressive, the meaning which holds true to this day. All right. Let's go. Word types of redneck. A noun. Just that. Only a noun. Okay. Usage 1. As a noun, a pejorative, derogatory word for a white man from the American working class, particularly if they are from the southern states and are perceived to be politically ignorant. Example 1. The problem with Texas is the number of rednecks. Example 2. I would love to own a farm in Louisiana, but I'd have to employ a bunch of rednecks. So, a pejorative term for somebody from a working class background from the southern part of the USA who is male, white, and uneducated. Okay, that's your first ever drunken outrageous English. So forgive any mistakes. That's it for today, guys. A nice short one. Please subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss a single video. Now fuck